Ramogi TV.
Jolweny ma pachoka oywago jatendgi mosenindo Jamadar Francis Ogolla moika yanga odichieng' kawuono. Eneno ma otimo e kinde nyasi mar ik mar jatende, Lieutenant General Charles Kahariri otimo mos ne anyuola mar Ogolla kod oganda ma kaluo kanyakla ewi masirano. Korka kore Major General John Mogaravai omedo puoyo mosenindo Francis Ogolla kuom ne bedo jatelo mani kod chuny kod chia mar telo. Opuoye kaka jal manowuok oko mar kelo dongruok e sekta mar lweny.
We wish to today, Your Excellency, just convey condolences of the KDF to the wider family of the late General. Now that we are in his home area, please accept our heartfelt condolences, as well as the people of Siaya and the general region of Nyanza, because this was your gallant son that you will be dearly missed. So kindly accept our condolences.
General Ogolla was a fine airman. Above all, he was a leader, he was a commander, and he was a mentor to all of us in the Kenya Defence Forces. On behalf of all airmen, women, and the entire Kenya Defence Forces, I want to condole with the family and the entire nation. May the Almighty God rest his soul in eternal peace.